Welcome to United Restoration and Remodel. With 15+ years of experience and covering all of Utah, we specialize in remodeling, restoration, and custom repair solutions to meet all your needs. We take pride in our quality workmanship and high customer satisfaction. At United Restoration and Remodel, we specialize in comprehensive solutions for water damage restoration, remodeling, and repairs. Our certified team holds the necessary licenses to ensure industry-leading expertise. We're fully insured for your peace of mind. Our services include build, remodel, or restore, water damage restoration, electrical and plumbing services, basements, kitchens and bathrooms, finishing and repairs, custom remodeling solutions, roof replacement. Trust us to handle your next remodeling or restoration needs with expertise and care. Are you ready to transform your home? Contact us today at 801-859-5215 or 801-971-2906 or visit us at UnitedRestorationandRemodel.com to learn more about how we can serve you.